go. It's alive. Not too bad. Runs pretty good. I might have to dial in the carb just a little bit more. I don't know, but it seems like it runs pretty good to me. I'll have to test it under load when it snows. But yeah, it runs good. Starts right up. I use electric start. That works good. You can pull start it. It starts up. The drive system works well. Auger turns. I took the chains off just because they're just a big pain. I'll keep them, I guess, but it's a pain moving this thing around with the chains, and it hops all over the place. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Starts and runs good. Auger works. The drive system works. No more fuel leaks. Put in a new fuel valve, a new grommet, new fuel line. Ran it through there. Went to the carb there. And then I cleaned and rebuilt this carb. Got a carb kit for it. This is a Walbro LME49 carb. So yeah, I cleaned and rebuilt that. Seems like it runs pretty good. I don't have the heater box on right now because I was kind of messing with it, so I'll put that back on now that I know it runs. And this guy actually goes into on the side of the heater box on the inside. I got it kind of rigged up right now. It's got fresh oil. Nice clean oil up to the full mark. Tires are holding there. I put about 12 or 13 pounds in them, I think. This was kind of bent, so I put some paper towel on the vise, brought my vise out and sandwiched it back and got it bent pretty straight. Still not 100%, but before you turn the chute, it almost hit up here. So now that works good. Then the other annoying thing I had going on in my other video was this, where is it at? Here it is. Let's see if I can block the sun. See right in there, I put an E-clip in there in between the throttle lever and that washer so it'll hold in place. So now it's got nice positive engagement. So I'm getting full throttle now and it's actually holding there. Before it would kind of creep back from all the vibrations of the engine and stuff, you know. So there it is, 1974 Ariens Snowblower. It's a 924013 model, 32-inch bucket, 8-horse Tecumseh, pretty much all original. It's in real good shape. So yeah, it ran before when I got it, but it kind of ran crappy. It was leaking fuel everywhere. I can't stand that stuff. I had to fix it. So anyway, there you go. Runs and works good. Now I just need some snow. Look at all the snow we got here, huh? Now that I got it running good, we probably won't get any snow the rest of the year till December now. But whatever. Yeah, I'm happy I got it running good now. So it'll be a good snowblower to hang on to. All right, well, that's it for now. See ya.